What is up, everyone? Mantra, Hero Breen, Syrah, Dusty. Welcome, everyone, to the stream. Let me turn my music down and we're gonna get started. Big news every day. Big news every day in a bull market. What is up, John? What's up? Who else is in here? Raymond, El Producto, Underground Anon. Hello from Switzerland. Welcome, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Drop the time for you. Time for me is 8:38 a.m. We're gonna hop into this right away, though. We have Bitcoin at 55,000. 55,000. Just literally went above 60K and just crashed, and that's it. 11:30 a.m. 5:38 p.m. Wow, look at all the range of different times there. Yeah, so Bitcoin is still crashed out at that bottom, or that 55K, and we've got these absolute imbeciles. Shout out to Life Emmanuel for becoming a channel member. Appreciate that. Drop some W's in the chat for Life right there. Drop some W's. Look at this. JP Morgan strategists warn that Bitcoin's momentum could collapse. They do this every single time that they want to buy or they want to short or something like that. Every single time. Like, they were caught saying that Bitcoin would never go above 40K. I remember that. They said Bitcoin will never go over 40K, and it lasted 2 weeks and Bitcoin got above 40K. So never, these are not people you listen to, JP Morgan, about Bitcoin. You do the exact opposite, actually, of what they're doing, because usually they're trying to manipulate and do crazy things. So they said that if it fails to break above 60K again, the momentum will collapse. Now, this is a more accurate statement right here, or like a more like, okay, plausible. Strategists say this occurred 3 times last year, but overall impulse. You're gonna want to stay to the end of this stream too, because we got like an interesting study that was done by Gemini, the exchange Gemini, and I'm gonna show you how early you really are to crypto. Every time I see something like that, it makes me so bullish that we are just so early. Still, even now with Tesla investing, still. So Bitcoin 55,000, Ethereum 2,423. Does anybody remember when they were telling you to buy Cardano, buy Polkadot, buy all this instead of getting Ethereum at like 1,000? Or no, like 1,400. XRP up to $1.40. We like that little pump right there. We've got some XRP news coming up. Cardano up 5%. What else we got? VeChain still holding 24 cents. We love that. I got in on VeChain at like 3 I think one buy at 3 cents, another buy at like 6 cents, I think. Iota is up big. We've got some Iota news coming up as well. Nina Y, appreciate you, Nina, for the master membership. You now have access to get into the private Discord server. Shout out to Nina. Drop some W's in the chat for Nina. We love Nina. I know INX token sale ends tomorrow, but when does the platform launch? I think by the end of May, everything will be up and running for INX, I believe. How you doing, Mason? I'm doing really good. How are you doing? Mason, price prediction for INX. I have an entire video about that, and it's really, really big. My price prediction is really, really bullish. Like super bullish. I'm a super bull on that. But let's keep going through this. CRO, 20 cents right there. What else we got? Hashgraph down to 30 cents, just chilling at 30 cents. What's the biggest gainer of the day? Let's check it out. Biggest gainer of the day, Venus. Damn, I might have to look into that. What is that? I've never heard of that. Okay. So if anybody's wondering on the XRP lawsuit, we've got a new date on April 30. On April 30, there will be a conference over telephone because they're stuck in the Stone Age and they have to use telephones to do conferences. So this is regarding the SEC contacting foreign regulators and seeking. So basically the SEC broke the rules. SEC broke the rules, or some rules, I think. And that's what the conference is going to be about. Which software can I store QNT? You can store it on Coinbase Wallet. That's where mine is, the app, Coinbase Wallet app. SafeMoon is a scam, right? I don't know if it's a scam, but it is just not a worthwhile investment in my opinion. Unless you can just make money. If you just make money with it and get out, then props to you. I don't chase those type of things. I would have chased Doge, but I was about to chase Doge, but as you know on TikTok, that video went crazy. I freaking sold my Doge right before it went crazy. Do you have a low value crypto like 1 cent that you think will go big? Yeah, I do. Watch this. Dovu. Ocean Protocol has partnered with Dovu. This is big. That is huge right there. Huge stuff. Ocean Market will host carbon data from Dovu farmers. This is big, 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 big for Dovu. If you know anything about Dovu, I'm invested in Dovu. If you would have seen on my Instagram, you would have seen my portfolio or heard my portfolio on my Instagram, which is in the corner of your screen, bottom right, in a second. Dovu, unfortunately, is literally only on Uniswap. Oh, it got added to some more. Okay. Bilaxy? Yeah. So this thing is up like massive. It was up 100% when Doge was going up 100%. It was up 100%. Why don't you like Charles Hoskinson? I love him right now. I love him right now. I don't love the things he said about HBAR, but I love him for saying what he said about Doge and what he said about regulations. He's got really good points. He's got really good points. Look at this. Dovu has such a big all-time high right here. It's like $1 plus. And I got in at this at like 4 cents. Crazy stuff right there. But now they have just partnered with Ocean Protocol. A round of applause for this because Ocean is big. Like, Dovu's a small cap. 80 million? Are you serious? Also, if you don't know, Dovu is partnered directly with Hedera Hashgraph. Like, directly. As you can see, this is Hedera website, Dovu, right here. And Dovu is partially owned by Jaguar Land Rover, folks. You know the cars? Yeah. Jaguar? Yeah. Dovu's partially owned by that. And Ocean is big boy. Ocean is a big boy. Let's see. 603 million. 603 million. And the Dovu supply is less than Theta. Like, less than Theta Chainlink Engine. Like, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But it needs to be added to more exchanges. Do you love Polkadot? Nope. Unfortunately, I don't love Polkadot. I like Kusama better. If I had to choose, I would invest in Kusama over over Polkadot. Institutional investments. Well, Polkadot's great. Like, there's no project that I absolutely hate, but they're all good. But my investing preferences, because y'all got to remember that this is my real life. These are my personal investments that we're talking about. So in my real life, I don't invest in Polkadot. Are you gonna buy Bitcoin Cash again? I don't think so. I'm going for the smaller things for bigger gains. How do you pay with USD on INX? You have to wire transfer. Is very annoying. But here we've got $33 million. Of course, it's that 33 number. 33 million has been invested in XRP. Wait, they allocated 33 million in XRP investment products. And apparently there's a very bullish, or there's a key resistance right here. A triangle resistance near $1.50 holds the key. Tyler, appreciate that membership. Shout out to Tyler. I appreciate you. Spam some W's for Tyler. Did you get your INX token? Yes, I did. Thoughts on Iota? We're gonna cover it. It's right here in my tabs. It's coming up. But we've got, I don't do really technical analysis on this channel, but we've got a key resistance, a triangle resistance near $1.50. The next hurdle could be $1.56. Apparently there was an insanely bullish pattern that was pointed out by a legendary trader with XRP. Like, there's a bullish, very bullish pattern. Nathan Lay, appreciate the membership. Go to the Nathan Lay, go to the community section on my channel, and you can fill out a form that gets you invited to the private Discord server, where you have access to my thoughts 24/7. Big Tay, we're covering Iota. We're gonna cover Iota. Thoughts on Wanchain? We can look into Wanchain as well. I'm still holding my Wanchain. I thought it was gonna go up because of the XRP news, but nothing happened. Ocean at a long term is a yes. I sold all my Ocean because I was super high up on it in profit. But I still love Ocean. So we've got 33 million literally being dumped into XRP products right here. Really good stuff. And here's Grayscale's little portfolio. Let me show you guys a gem right now. If anybody's watching, here's a gem of some information. Here's a gem. If you use CoinMarketCap, right? Watch what you can do. You can go to categories right here. Click on categories and scroll down, and you can actually view people's portfolios. Here's Pantera Capital, for example. Pantera Capital portfolio. Electric Global portfolio. Who else? CMS Holdings portfolio. These are big investment funds and huge things, companies. Dragonfly Capital portfolio. Let's check out Dragonfly's portfolio. Okay, they hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cosmos, Maker. See, you can just see what they hold on categories, and nobody really knows about that, I don't think. They don't use that. But you can view all of this. Multi-Coins portfolio, Galaxy Digital's portfolio. Insanely valuable tip right there. Polychain, you want to see their portfolio? You want to see Blockchain's capital portfolio? They're all right here, and you can see exactly what they hold. Like, so that should add credibility. If a big firm or something is holding crypto, any of the cryptos, that should add credibility. Let's check out Pantera Capital. They hold XRP, and then you could even do more research. You could even do more research and type in Pantera Capital and see what it is. Here's Pantera Capital. It's a venture capital company. There you go. And then you could see exactly what they hold. They hold all of these. Wow, they got a big portfolio. You can even find some gem altcoins. Like, that is just, I don't know why people don't talk about that feature of CoinMarketCap. Let's get into the Iota stuff though. Nunya Business, appreciate that channel membership. Send some love to Nunya Business. Whale alert, millions of XRP on the move to Coinbase. Yup, I saw that in the morning. Do they allow them to view it? Yeah, that's what they do. Their portfolios are public on their website. You could probably find it as well. But CoinMarketCap puts it in a good ass like ranking. Are you planning some trading series? I don't trade. I sometimes like I ride waves up and then I sell off, but I don't really day trade at all. Iota begins migration to chrysalis, folks. We're going to chrysalis. And how many days is it going to take? 7, of course. If you know what I'm talking about. The code in that, chrysalis, 7 days. Okay. Iota co-founder has spread the word. Today, the chrysalis upgrade begins. Okay, this is going to be big for Iota right here. Hopefully, we see an Iota price run, and we are seeing that 775. What's the old all-time high? Let's check the old all-time high. $5.69. $5.69. Let's go. Wondering if you like the ETF news in Canada. Yeah, it's good. I like that. But I would never put my money into an ETF or like anything to do with crypto plus bank investments. I wouldn't do that. I like to manage my own stuff. Here's some big news as well. SEC Chairman Gary Gensler has been confirmed for 5-year term. 5 years, this man is running stuff. 5 years, this guy is running stuff in the SEC. The SEC has a lot to do with crypto because they're going to put the regulations in place, most likely, and they're trying to with XRP. Mod Farhan, appreciate that membership. All love. Send some love to Mod Farhan. Do you have any knowledge about economy? I have not looked into it. Actually, I did bring it up one time on here, but I am not invested in this. But it looks 750 billion supply. Huge. Yeah, it's an NFT. Yeah, I've heard a lot about that, but I'm not in it. Cardano, what's up with Cardano? It's going up. 5% up. Yeah, Omi. When I looked at Omi briefly, it looks good. Do you have a step-by-step video to buy HBAR? All it would be is go on Binance, get a verified account on Binance, and you could buy it there. Yeah, so Gary Gensler's in for 5 years on the SEC. That means his opinions are very important. So I highly recommend going and watching what he thinks of crypto, because that's probably going to be what's added as regulations. If you're new joining in here, the next XRP lawsuit date is April 30. You can tune in with these phone numbers because they're stuck in the Stone Age and they have to use phone numbers to run conferences. INX will follow regulations and what Gary Gensler wants. Exactly. Yep. INX is already built to withstand any regulations coming in. Like literally anything. Anything. Don't sleep on Quant. Oh yeah, let's check Quant. Has it been going up? It's been getting some hype, I think. It's at $40, trading sideways still for super long. What's the next catalyst for altcoins? We need Bitcoin to really do something and go up to like 70K. And then we need a huge correction and all that money goes and flows to Bitcoin. Let's check the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance trading view. What is the Bitcoin dominance at right now? It is, look at it, it's been dropping since the start of this year. You see it started at 74% at the start of this year. Is this percentage? Yeah. And it has been dropping all the way down. That's how you know we're going towards something. When Bitcoin dominance gets to 30 to 40%, that's when we go absolutely insane. If you go to the all chart, we can probably see, look, this is 2017, right? This is 2017. Look at where it's dropped to. It dropped to What's the lowest it went? 37%. 37% right there is where it went to. So we're like dropping. We're good. We're heading towards that. It looks like to me. I don't know much about like charting really. I know a surface level knowledge about it, but to me that looks like we're heading for absolute. Look at how high it was before, 99%. In 2016, 96%. So much retail going to cold storage. Yeah, alt season really starts when we hit these lows on Bitcoin dominance. And once, like, it looks like we're literally just heading for that. Is XRP in trouble with the law or something? Yep, they are. But SEC is also in trouble with the law. Don't be nervous about your XRP. Anyone who sold XRP before the lawsuit, I mean, okay, let's move in to this. This is how early you are to crypto. This makes me extremely bullish, and this should make you like realize that, damn, I'm really about to get wealthy off this if I hold for long term. So this is a study from Gemini right here, and it is a gem. It's a gem right here. Probably one of the best, clearest studies I've seen. We're gonna go through this right now. So first of all, you've got male versus female. This really does not matter at all. I think females who get into crypto are extremely attractive. Just putting that out there. You're like 10x more attractive if you're in crypto and you care about your finances. When do you think HBAR will reach $1 some point this year? Hopefully coming up. Mod Farhan, how do you join the Discord? Go to the community section and fill out the form that's there. It's an invite form. So we've got 74% female. Should I zoom in? I need to zoom in. We've got 74% female right here. Or I mean male. And 26% woman in crypto holders. Let's scroll down. 18. Look at this. I'm in this bracket. I'm in the 3%. I'm in the 3% right here. 18 to 24. So the biggest percentage is 25-year-olds to 34-year-olds. And it even shows like so much information in this. Let's go hold up. Let me zoom out of this. Who are the crypto curious? There's 63% crypto curious, 23% disinterested. How would you ever be disinterested in fixing your financial future? Nathan Lay, appreciate that €5. I think that's euros. What stops the main banks making their own coins that have the same utility, such as XRP or XLM? Nothing. They're doing it. They're making CBDCs, which are central bank digital dollars. But XRP is not for like. That's hard to explain. It's CBDCs will replace the. CBDCs will be central bank digital currencies. And XRP will be used as a bridge between all of the central bank digital currencies. But they could. There's nothing stopping a bank from making their own thing like XRP. It's just that Ripple is partnered with all of the banks that would have done that already. Real talk, appreciate that $5 donation. Is Stellar Illumins affected by XRP's success or failure? It can stand alone, or it can stand alone. It can stand alone. Yes. It is not affected by XRP's success or failure. There may be a vendetta between, like a revenge type thing between Jed McCaleb and the Ripple people. There might be that they kind of compete, but they can be together. They can be together, in my opinion. They have different purposes, and if XRP succeeds, XLM can fail. If XRP succeeds, XLM can succeed. It goes anyway. I do hold a small position in XLM. I wish it was more. I do wish it was more. But I got in really late. I had Stellar back in 2017, but that was sold and through. Us girls are here. Yes, shout out to every female in crypto. I love all of you. You are so smart for taking your finances seriously, and you're just going to be a rich boss lady, rich boss ladies. That's what we're creating out here. Mason, I will follow on you. Twitter can speak more. What are you talking about? My Twitter is right in the corner of your screen, bottom right corner right now, actually. Okay, let's keep going on this because this is really crazy. Let's get to the crazy part. What the average US adult knows about crypto. What the average US adult knows about crypto. So look at this. This should blow your mind. 95% Bitcoin, 38% Ethereum, 24% Bitcoin Cash, 16% Litecoin. I just posted a TikTok about this as well, by the way. 11% Tether, Chainlink 8%, XRP 6%. Am I from Morocco? No, I'm not. I'm from Vancouver, Canada. What is the Ripple XRP Foundation channel? Please block that channel. Never, ever watch it. It is a scam. It is a fake channel. It is a fake channel. Tanya, I appreciate the membership. I hope to see you in the private Discord. Appreciate that. Spam some W's. The one time I'll accept spam in the in the chat is spamming W's for these beautiful members. Look at Cardano though, 2%, and Polkadot 2%. 2%. 2%. Like, do you see how early that is? How early that is? Because all of these are gonna change the world, except maybe like Litecoin. I don't really like Litecoin. What do you think of Happy Coin? Why do you have a check mark beside your name, bro? Who is that? David Stay? I have no thoughts on that. Never heard of that. Your video name is very inspiring. Yes, we're covering that right now. How early we are. Absolutely so early. Like, okay, this is how I whittled it down one time. This is how I whittled it down one time. If you have 1 million people who know about crypto, or like there's like layers. Like, first you have to know about crypto. Second, you have to know about Bitcoin. Damn, I explained this so good on my TikTok. I can't explain it right now. But just how many people in your state or your city know about the coins that you hold? How many people in your state or city or town know about XRP? Think about it really hard. How many people in your town, whatever, know about XRP? Or know about Cardano or whatever you hold? It's like so small. The number is so small. And that is why your life story could actually be that you got wealthy off crypto. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, if there's like 50 million people that get wealthy, like super wealthy off crypto, that's kind of hard to do. That's kind of weird, and probably the chances of that happening are lower. But if there's only a couple people in your city, then part of your life story could be that you got wealthy off crypto. Like, you got to think into the future with this. When you tell people, how did you get that mansion or that car or whatever? How did you even reach financial freedom? Your story could actually be that you got rich off crypto. Just because it's so small and not many people. Like, I don't know if anybody understands that, but that is how I think of this. That is how I think of this. What do you think about ICX? I've never even checked that out. That's Icon, right? I've never went deep on that at all. Here we've got, look at how crazy this breaks down. The Gemini report. It's really crazy. Share token opinions. I sold all my share token actually. I went super crazy consolidating. Yeah, share token looks great. Share token looks great. It has a share ring. Share ring ID, and it has to do with this right here, which is on screen right now. I'm not gonna say it because I'll get INJ is having a great day. What do you think is gonna happen with PundyX? No idea. Bro, why don't you share airdrops? What are you talking about? We do so many airdrops in the private Discord. We do so many airdrops in the private Discord. I've given away over 5,000 H-bar and 3 ledgers on this channel. And there will be more giveaways coming soon for sure. For sure. If you want to prepare for the giveaways, just if you want to prepare and be ready for them, definitely check out my Instagram right here. Mason, Versluis. That is my full name. Yes, I am Dutch. My grandparents are Dutch. I don't speak Dutch. If you want to prepare, that's where you go. And also to my Twitter. Because those will be some of the requirements. Why is ETH moving so hard right now with Bitcoin moving? Yeah, it is. This is weird to me. Oh, Bitcoin's actually moving now. But this is weird how ETH is killing it. Like, yeah, private Discord giveaway. We did that as well. I gave all the winners, private Discord access. I don't have Insta. Can you post on TikTok? I post on TikTok all the time. And the giveaway would probably be on there, I think. Where can we find that report to read? Yeah, let's this is on Gemini's website. And this will be should I drop the link? Could I drop the link to this? Hold on. Gemini report. Oh, it's right here. I'll drop the link so you guys can look at this. I'll drop the link so you guys can look at that, because that's really that's a really cool report right there. You can read more of it. I don't think I'm going to cover more of it. I just wanted to show the is that going to work? Yeah, I think that works. I just wanted to show how crazy. Look at this. What do they own and how do they trade? Whoa, look at this. Do they show Ripple on here? No, they don't. 87% have owned Bitcoin. Average value owned is 8,512. That is high for people, I think. What's my favorite new coins? My favorite new coins? Honestly, I don't even have any. What do you think about Pi? Pi is absolute trash. I do not like Pi, and I will never ever own it in my entire life. That's one I can say. That's one I can say I actually dislike. Your opinion on Doge? Are you accumulating? No, I'm not. I sold all my Doge famously on my TikTok right before it went crazy, and now I've got permanent Doge haters. I have got permanent Doge haters all over my comments. Oh world, I appreciate the donation. Safe Galaxy under the radar. This is not a meme token. This is an ecosystem. CoinMarketCap, untracked, will be live soon. You're still early, and yeah, amount of people holding. I appreciate the donation. Oh world, all love to you. But giving me a number of holders. Shout out to Oh world. Giving me a number of holders does not appeal to me, because if that's all it has, like all of these coins, they brag about how many holders and how it's community driven. That's what they brag about, and that doesn't show value to me at all. Like, what does it do, and how is it going to survive when regulations are put in place, and why would it survive? That appeals. Don't you think Doge has a community that doesn't sell? They do. That's why it's up and staying up. It's kind of like Bitcoin. Yeah, do your own research. Facts. Okay. Also, folks, we hit 1 million likes. Do you guys see that? 1 million likes. That means 1 million people have went on TikTok and double tapped the screen. 1 million likes right there. Appreciate all of you. Hopefully YouTube becomes my top platform, because I love this. I can actually interact. Maybe I'll do a TikTok live stream today. Should I do a TikTok live stream? I have never went live on my TikTok, ever. But we're gonna wrap this up. I dropped the link to that in my in the chat right there. But we're gonna wrap it up. Before we wrap it up, if you want to stay up to date, there is my Twitter. And these are key platforms if you really want to stay up to date. I did an exclusive portfolio update on my my Instagram. Oh yeah, portfolio update. We'll do that quickly. I said I was going to do that yesterday, but let's do it right now. Let's do it right now. I'm going to show you my entire portfolio, people. For anybody new in here, I'm going to show you my entire portfolio, how it currently is. Hold on. Let me make sure that the balances is hidden, because that's private information. This is my actual personal life. Okay, let me let that load. Yeah, we're not ending yet. I'm gonna show the portfolio. I'm gonna show the portfolio right now. As of currently, it could change tomorrow, of course, but here it is. Hold up. Why is that hold on. Let me zoom in on it. Just 1 second, getting this ready. Okay, here we go. Boom. My portfolio is now on the screen, folks. Oh yeah, I'm forgetting INX is not listed on here, but I have heavily invested in the INX security token. You said INX price prediction. I already did an entire video about that. Scroll down on my channel. So here we go. We've got XRP, HBAR, Zinfin, Quant, Algorand, Engine, Iota, Dovu, XYO, VeChain, CRO, Self-Key. If you guys want a little pump moonshot type coin, you got Self-Key right there. Quant Stamp, PundyX, WanChain, and Stellar. And there is a second page. Let me see if I can actually go to the second page without screwing something up. Oh yes, I can. Okay, boom. On the second page, we got Pack Protocol, on Federal Reserve. There's a moonshot right there on Federal Reserve, and Dent is the lowest holding. So yes, this is in, yeah, that's in percentage of holding. Yeah. Like that's my top holding, and this is my last holding. So there's a portfolio update for you guys right there. As you can see, I've heavily consolidated. I got rid of Doge Cash. I got rid of Dogecoin. I got rid of Zilliqa. I got rid of Elrond. I got rid of a bunch of stuff. And I consolidated. Mainly some of that profit went into INX. And some of that profit went to HBAR, all the big boys. And you can see that's a portfolio that will give you real wealth. Like, as you can see, I'm not tracking any moon coins in there or safe whatevers. I'm not tracking none of that. What's the right amount of INX to hold? 1,000. That's it. Just my opinion, but all you need is actually 1,000. Yeah, that's a clean portfolio right there. Do you think the crash is over? Yeah, I think we're on the way back up. But we're going to end this off. I love you all. Shout out to everyone tuning in every single day, because I'm working hard. I wake up like literally 7 o'clock and just do this all day. I just do crypto and videos and everything all day. Do you believe in Simpson prediction? They're really vague. They never mention anything specifically. They mention DLT, but who knows? Who knows? I appreciate all of you. We're going to wrap this up. Thank you to everyone in here. And hold on, let me turn my music. Goodbye.